Hi everyone, my name is Claire and I am a second year student of the Advertising and Marketing Communications program here at Durham College. So I'm actually doing a question and answer today, a Q&A. So one of the questions that was asked was, why did I choose to go to school here at DC? So making the choice to go to school at Durham College was really easy for me. And that's because although there was tons of choices for where I could go to school here in Ontario, I went around, I toured the schools, and the impression that I got from Durham College was by far the best. Everyone was super kind. They made a point of remembering your name. They were very thoughtful, and the place just felt like family. So you come to the school here at Durham College, and the campus is a large campus, but everything feels very close together. They've got nice modern buildings. They're always making improvements and doing what they can to make the students comfortable and provide the best learning experiences. And I saw that from the moment that I stepped foot here on campus. I loved it so much that I've actually done 2 different programs during my time here at Durham College. When I first started at Durham College, I took the graphic design program. It is a 3-year advanced diploma program, and then I continued my studies right after to now be in the program I am in today, which is the Advertising and Marketing Communications program. So I am actually ready to graduate. I'm going to get my diploma, and I am prepared fully from the great experience I had here as a student at DC to now enter the workforce and become a graphic designer in the marketing agency world. So the choice to come to Durham College is a super easy one for me, and I hope today that this can be a really easy one for you. I hope that you also will feel that the campus feels like home when you step foot on it one day, and that it's going to feel like it is the right fit for you. Everyone is welcome here at DC. They try really hard to make everyone feel like they are at home, and I totally agree that they stand behind that the student experience comes first. My time at Durham College has been the best time of my life. I am so sad to be leaving, but excited to embark on new adventures, and I can't wait for your time at Durham College to start. So make the choice to come to DC. It's the best one that you will make. This is Claire. Thanks for listening to my Q&A.